Cut it out. Frame it out. Frame it out.
And here we go. And
Glue it up. Glue it up. Glue it up. Hey everyone, today we are going to tackle creating a barn door.
Barn door.
So we recently renovated our laundry room.
Yeah, so Brian came home one night and decided just to rip out all the shelving in there and rebuild it all. So now it is a lot nicer, a lot better use of space, and looks really good.
So we're gonna make a barn door. Whenever we have guests over, they don't have to see our dirty laundry or our laundry room.
Or smell the litter box.
Yeah, the litter box is in there. That thing's disgusting.
Have all the wood cut for the top half or possibly the bottom half of the door. So now what we're gonna do is pick it all up and start assembling it onto here so it'll be attached permanently. Here we go. We're gonna glue some more wood down with our toothbrush and finish the second half.
All right, next day on the barn door, we have let the glue dry, and now it's time to cut it out and frame it out. So here we go. So if you see these edges, all these edges are here are really uneven. We cut everything oversized. That way we could cut it to fit the substrate underneath. You'll see now how uneven the cuts are. That's all about to change right now. Gonna be a fun cut. All right, so I have all my casing trim cut. Everything fits really good. Now it's time to glue it up and brad nail it.
Spreading the cheese.
Mama says, brush your teeth. Mama says, what's all that cheese in your teeth? on its first hang. Any words of encouragement?
No, you've done all the hard work today by yourself, so I'm sure you can handle this.
Hope it fits.